Welcome to the Explainer. So you're an IT professional ready to level up your career, which means you probably already know the absolute frustration of the job hunt. You send out dozens, maybe hundreds of resumes, and crickets. You hear absolutely nothing back. You know you have the skills, right? You know you can troubleshoot complex systems? But how do you actually prove that to a busy hiring manager who's literally giving your application a 6-second glance? Well, today, we are doing a weekend sprint. In this explainer, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a high-impact IT support portfolio in a single weekend. We're going to take your daily on-the-job experience and translate it into a tangible portfolio that absolutely proves your skills. And no, you don't need a computer science degree or years of advanced coding experience to pull this off. Grab a coffee, clear your schedule for the weekend, and let's get building. Okay, let's dive right into this. 73%. According to recent developer and engineering surveys, a massive 73% of hiring managers now consider a strong portfolio to be more important than a perfect resume. I mean, think about that. In the 2025 tech ecosystem, the old ways of getting hired are completely dead. Hiring managers don't just want a bulleted list of tools you claim to know, they want verifiable, concrete proof of what you can actually build and automate. This single statistic right here is exactly why we're doing this weekend challenge. Your portfolio isn't just a nice-to-have anymore, it's your ultimate competitive advantage. So, here is our exact checklist for your weekend sprint. First, we'll cover the core challenge. Second, the recruiter's scorecard, what they actually want. Third, optimizing your LinkedIn summary. Fourth, building fast using Notion and GitHub. And finally, a real-world scenario taking you from zero to a full portfolio. Let's hit the ground running. All right, Section 1, the Weekend Portfolio Challenge. The tech landscape in 2025 has officially shifted. We're looking at a market where reactive troubleshooting, just waiting around for a ticket to drop so you can reset a router, is totally outdated. Today's IT support engineer is really expected to be an orchestrator. Companies want to see that you can spot a failing system, automate a fix for it, and document the whole thing before the end user even realizes there was a problem. And this quote perfectly hits the nail on the head regarding the pain point we're solving today. Most desktop support resumes fail because they list tools and tickets without showing impact, so recruiters can't see value fast. Literally anyone can type Active Directory or ServiceNow on a piece of paper, but when you're swimming in a massive applicant pool, fighting against automated tracking systems, generic lists just do not translate to value. Your portfolio is the ultimate proof-back solution because it forces the recruiter to look at your proactive outcomes. Moving right along to Section 2, what recruiters actually want. So as hiring managers are ignoring those generic resumes, what are the specific artifacts they're actually scoring you on? Well, there are 5 pillars of a portfolio that actually gets you hired. Notice the very first one, 3 to 5 polished projects. I absolutely cannot stress this enough. Quality beats quantity every single time. Having 3 highly original projects that show genuine problem solving will drastically outperform a dozen basic copy-pasted tutorial clones. Recruiters want to see live demos. They want functional code. They want to see measurable outcomes, things like reduced ticket time by 20%. And crucially, they want clean documentation. If you build it, you have to be able to explain it. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly how to organize your technical proof. In the IT world, your work is generally going to fall into 2 distinct buckets, code and process. For your code-based artifacts, you're going to use GitHub. This is where you house your automated server backup scripts, your bash scripts for log cleanup, or those PowerShell user provisioning scripts. But remember, IT isn't just about coding. For your process-based artifacts, you'll use a tool like Notion to showcase your standard operating procedures, or SOPs. This is where you can build out a killer incident tracking board, a beautiful knowledge base, or a comprehensive IT change management plan. You really need both sides of the coin to prove you're a well-rounded engineer. Which brings us to Section 3, optimizing your LinkedIn summary. Think of LinkedIn as the front door to your brand new portfolio. If that front door is broken or uninviting, nobody's walking inside to see all the beautiful projects you built over the weekend. To fix that door, I want you to memorize this experience bullet formula. It is literally the secret sauce to passing automated screenings and impressing human managers. Every single bullet point on your profile, and your resume for that matter, must follow this exact structure. An action verb, plus the technology you used, plus exactly what you built or fixed, capped off with a measurable result. That quantified impact, that's what actually gets you the interview. Now, what's really interesting about this is the massive contrast between how most people write and how you should be writing. The before example is exactly what like 90% of applicants say, helped users with computer problems and resolve technical issues. It's vague, it's boring, and honestly, it proves absolutely nothing. Now look at the after version using our new formula. Deliver Tier 1 and Tier 2 desktop support across a 500 endpoint Windows environment, maintaining a 95% first call resolution rate through ServiceNow. Wow, right? That is a modern, keyword-optimized IT support engineer. In just one sentence, the recruiter instantly knows your scale, your tool set, and your exact success rate. All right, Section 4, Building Fast with Notion and GitHub. Let's move into the execution phase. It is time to talk about the tools that will make this weekend sprint actually happen. You definitely don't want to get bogged down spending 3 weeks learning advanced web development just to host a portfolio. We want to build fast. So we're going to rely on Notion and GitHub to do all the heavy lifting. Here are the exact tactical steps for your weekend. Step 1. Spin up a free Notion portfolio template. There are dozens of them out there designed specifically for IT admin OS layouts. Step 2. Push those 3 to 5 automation scripts we talked about earlier straight to GitHub. Step 3. Link your GitHub repos directly into your Notion portfolio, and then link that Notion portfolio straight onto your optimized LinkedIn profile. You're basically creating a perfectly seamless funnel for recruiters to discover your value. Let's zoom in on step 2 for a quick second, because your GitHub repositories absolutely cannot just be raw code. Documentation is what separates the junior portfolios from the senior ones. Busy reviewers need to understand the what, why, and how of your script in about 60 seconds flat. So every GitHub project needs a README containing these core elements: a super clear problem statement, a bulleted list of your tech stack, simple installation instructions, an architecture diagram. Honestly, even a basic flowchart works wonders here. And finally, your measurable results. Tell them exactly how much time or money your script saved. And hey, a quick warning for when you're setting up that Notion page. Do not fall into the trap of over-designing it. It's so tempting to add a million widgets, embedded videos, and complex databases. But the data shows that 68% of initial portfolio views by recruiters happen on mobile devices. If your page takes more than 3 seconds to load, they are going to bounce right out and move to the next candidate. Keep it incredibly simple, clean, and mobile responsive. Let your hard work do the talking, not a flashy layout. Finally, Section 5, Real Scenario 0 to Portfolio. All right, we are bringing the whole shebang together now for the climax of this explainer. This is where we bridge the gap between theory and execution. Get ready, because this is the ultimate aha moment. Think about those incredibly mundane tasks you probably do at work every single week. Resetting passwords, clearing out full PC storage, jotting down random fixes. Now, let's reverse engineer those boring tickets into 5 high-value portfolio artifacts representing just 3 months of on-the-job work. Instead of saying, I reset passwords, you write an automated Active Directory PowerShell script and host it on GitHub. Instead of I fixed full hard drives, you build a Linux disk usage monitor that sends awk alerts. Setting up laptops, that becomes a fully documented Microsoft Intune autopilot deployment guide right in your Notion workspace. Looking at old error logs turns into a log rotation and cleanup script using gzip. You are literally just taking what you already do every day and packaging it as a proactive engineering solution. And that is exactly how you take control of your IT career in 2025. You already have the skills, and now you have the exact blueprint to showcase them to the world. So I'm going to leave you with this final provocative question. Look back at your workflow from the past week. What annoying, repetitive ticket are you going to sit down and turn into your very first portfolio script this weekend? The hiring managers are out there waiting to see what you can build. Have an awesome weekend sprint and happy building.